What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy. You know how I do. Always got two cameras going just in case one mess up. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time to re-record. I'm just going to do this real quick for you guys. I received a comment. First of all, I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. You know I love you. Thank you so much. We're over 1,000 and we'll keep climbing. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. But yeah, today I received a comment that really touched my heart and it pulled at my heartstrings. And the young lady said, I really love watching you and I just don't have any of that material. I don't have any of that stuff in my house. I just don't have all that stuff. Okay? Okay. So this is just for that young lady. And she know I'm not going to call out no names or nothing like that. But she pulled at my heartstring because a lot of people don't have it. So if you look down at this table, you see this table, you guys? I don't know if you can see everything that I have on this table. I tried to get you a good view. You know the cell phone always falls. But yeah. I want to get you a good view. Looks like a whole bunch of mess, right? Yeah, looks like a whole bunch of mess. Of course, the cell phone went out, so we're not going to use that. But look down at the table, you guys. It's not about me. It's about the young lady who said she didn't have a lot of things to be doing a lot of things. And where this fly came from, you guys, there is a fly. We're in wintertime. Where does fly come from? Fly. But anyway, okay, this table looks like a whole bunch of mess, right? Look, you got a red cup. You just got a little bowl. You got a little Chinese cup that you had some soup in. Got a little Jello shooter cup you might have had from a party. Hello, hello. Another container you might have gotten from Applebee's or wherever. The liquor store bag. Ooh, did I say that? Did I say that? I ain't say that, y'all. This ain't my bag. Hold up. Hold up. This is not my liquor store bag. I don't know who bag this is, y'all. But anyway, then you might have a pot. You can have a champagne glass. You see this? Sometimes you get these containers. This is my container from the cruise. Anything you got in your house, you guys, it's like a bowl or a holding. Look at the grocery store bag. Yep. See? This is from the grocery store. That's a regular grocery store bag. Little teeny cup. Toilet paper roll. Yep. You can take whatever. If you might have one of these, you might not. Like I said, this is a shout out to the young lady who said, thank you for showing me and I'm going to try and grow something. And I'm like this. Hey, baby girl, take what you got out of your cabinet and use it. Now, my cousin cooked us a great deal. Well, she's in there cooking right now. But these are the green peppers. She used the green pepper and it was going bad. You guys, when your vegetables are going bad in the refrigerator, don't throw away the seeds. These are seeds that will grow, you guys. Okay, okay. These are seeds that will grow. And I went in the trash can. Ew. Yes, I did. I went in the trash can and I got the pepper she threw away. Look, look. Look right there. Look right here, y'all. You see these? These is none but seeds. None but seeds. None but seeds, y'all, on this big green pepper. So that's a good breed of pepper. And we're going to plant these. So I just want to show anybody, not only the young lady, but anybody who thinks you don't have what it takes to start a garden. Yes, you do. Watch this. Okay, so I got some soil right here, y'all. Dirt. Dirt. Pretty much dirt. Just dirt, y'all. Dirt, 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 dirt. If you don't have no soil, you might live in a place that you don't have a lot of good draining soil. Dig up what you got, y'all. If you go to the Dollar Tree once, pick you up a couple bags of stuff. You know? Yeah, do it. You can do it. So I'm going to show you how to use everything on this table. Everything on this table can be used to start your garden, okay? Okay. So, you already saw my video on the red cup. Say for instance, you ain't got a red cup. You ain't got one of these. You ain't got no red cup. You don't even use red cups. Take you a little bowl, a little Tupperware bowl you might have in your cabinet. Put your little dirt in there. Look, bam. You got you a little small garden right here. You got your small garden. Look, little Tupperware bowl. If you do want to use the red cup, get you some dirt. Put it in there. Bam. You got you a planting medium. You got you something to plant your stuff in. If you got this is one of the bowls that come from the Chinese restaurant. Sometimes you go to your food. Bam. Look. You got you another growing pot. Okay? Okay? If you want to get cute, you can take some of your champagne glasses. Put a little bit right there in the bottom. Just like that, you guys. And how is that for home decor? You seen anybody do that yet? Had a little champagne glasses with the soil in it. Sometimes you have this size. Fill it up. Okay? Okay? Okay. Then if you do have a tray, just put your soil in there. Put your soil in there. Press down. If you have a tray, press down just a little bit. There you go. You have another tray. If you have a big tray like this, we're going to transplant our avocado seed. I don't know if I'm going to use this container because I don't want to have to replant it more than one time. But if you have this container, take your soil. And this is just a dollar store tin can. You know, you can fill this up more than that, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of what you have. If you had this, if you went to Applebee's and they gave you this, take this thing right here like that, right? Pack it up. You got yourself a little mini garden. Put you some holes at the bottom. You good to go. Okay, okay. They come this side. Take you some soil. Put in there. Just like that. There you go, you guys. Jello. I was going to say Jello shooters. But hey, it is what it is. What's up, you guys? I grew a whole crop of tomatoes, squash, and black zucchini. I started them off in little cups like this. There you go. You have another cup. Okay? And then even the Applebee's containers turn into little greenhouses, y'all. Put the lid on it, you got your greenhouse. The liquor store. Ooh, the liquor. Ooh, did I say the liquor store? I ain't mean the liquor store. I meant the ABC store. Ooh, is that any better? But look, if you have dark bag, just take your soil, right? Put it in your dark ABC bag, which stands for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I ain't gonna tell you what it mean to me. Okay, so just take this. This is just an example for you guys. You can make your garden anywhere you are. See, I have just took all that back out and put it in our bag. Then you just take your bag, roll it up like this. Roll it up. You roll it up like that, right? Now, I'm not going to wet the soil yet because I'm just showing you guys. Garden. You have a whole raised bed type garden, y'all. Pack it down, get it together. Boom. You can do it like that. Everybody's wondering about the toilet paper roll. Does it work? Get your little tray. Scoop you some soil up, y'all. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Use what you have. And see, I don't have any water on this soil, so it's kind of soft. Well, it's very soft. Hey, look, my soil keeps coming out. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, you would just take you a toilet paper roll like that and fill it with soil. Okay? Take your toilet paper roll like that, fill it with soil, press down. You know, you have it on the bottom of a base. And once you press it down enough, look, it makes its own bottom. And this is biodegradable. So, put your seed right down in there in the middle, cover it up with soil. Let it start to root, you guys. Toilet paper roll. Look at the bottom. Nothing's coming out. Okay? And that's how you do that. Now, I was gonna show you using my container from my Westgate vacation. I ain't gonna do that one today. But then again, like I said, you can do the grocery store bag the same way I showed you. I don't want to just tell you, I want to show you. The same way I did the A to the B to the C bag, you can do a grocery store bag the same way. Fold it up, just like that, you know. Now, like I said, I didn't put any water on this, so it's very loose, which is how we want it right now until we get ready to plant our Baker Creek seeds that came today. Okay. So, yeah, you guys, I just want to tell you, you can do whatever you want to do. And to the young lady, oh yeah, one more thing. This is a green pepper thrown in the trash. Take them seeds out of there. Take these little seeds right there and save them. I'm saving all this. I'm saving all this because look at the breed of the seed. Look how big this green pepper is. Yep. I'm gonna save these seeds from that. So remember, you guys, live, love, laugh, grow stuff. I need it. I love you guys. You are the best.